Hello everyone. So previously we had discussed on the topic tree map actually. Yep. So today we'll be discussing on the topic tree set. Let's see what the definition part say here. So tree set is a Java collection class that stores the unique elements in the sorted order. Again, it stores only the unique elements. The duplicate elements will be removed or ignored. Yep. Tree set is a Java collection class that stores unique elements in the sorted order using a self-balancing red black tree using self-balancing red black tree actually. For the tree map, it uses red black tree. Tree set, it uses self-balancing red black tree. Just remember this one. This is very important. Yeah. So the only difference between tree map and tree set is so it stores the unique elements only. When it comes to tree set stores only the unique elements. It stores tree map stores all the elements, right? So this is fine, I believe. Next, tree set automatically sorts the elements as they are inserted, right? Similarly to the tree map, TreeSet automatically sorts elements as they are inserted. It does not allow duplicates. This is one of the things. So whether it comes to when it comes to hash map, linked hash map, and even the hash set, linked hash set, as well as the tree set, all of the this one, all of these three data structures actually doesn't allow duplicates. Just remember this one. Hash set is the data structure. Basically, it doesn't allow the duplicates, right? So that is the main advantage of using the sets actually, whether it may be hash set, linked hash set, as well as the tree set actually. All the operations like add, remove, and search are performed in logarithmic time, right? Similar to the this one tree map actually. Let's try to understand the same thing with a very simple example, right? So let me import here java.util.treeset here, right? So this is how we import from the utility package TreeSet. Yeah. So next, let me go with public class. Let me go with main instead of. I thought of going with a any name you can give. I thought of giving TreeSet demo. So this is fine. Next, let me go with main method here. So within the main method, first let's try to create the tree set of integer type, right? So I'll just go with tree set here. So I'll just pass the integer. So this is fine. Go with set equals new tree set. This is also fine. The next one is we have to add the elements to the tree set. Yeah. So I'll just go with set dot add of 50. Yeah. So let me copy this entire thing. Let me copy this entire thing. Uh, so let me go with some 4 to 5 times. This is enough, I think. 5 elements actually. So let me go with 50 for the first one. Let me change this one to 20. Let me go with a 40. Let me go with a 10, and let me go with a 20 actually. We have considered 10, 20. Yeah, 20. I have considered duplicate here. 10, 20, 40 as well as the 50, right? So we have to get the output as 10, 20, 40, and 50 because uh, accordingly with the definition, so TreeSet is a Java collection class that stores unique elements in the sorted order. It stores only the unique elements, means duplicate elements will be ignored or removed, and in the it stores in the sorted order as well. Yep. So we have to get the output 10, 20, 40 as well as the 50, right? So we have the duplicate for the 20, so it will be ignored. So it will be output has to be 10, 20, this one 40 and 50. So I haven't we are not printing the tree set, right? So let me do that. So I'll just go with the system out println of, let me pass the set here, right? So this one is not showing. Anyways, let me type here. Yeah. So now let me run the code. See here, we are getting the output 10, 20, 40, and 50 as per the discussion. So whatever the code that we have written works absolutely correct. So this is fine. Yep. So we are done with the tree set data structure, right? So now let's discuss the real world applications of the tree set, right? Similar to the tree map. So it is used in the leaderboard systems as well. So we have discussed this one earlier. So it is used in the leaderboard systems as well because to maintain the sorted scores actually this time. That is the only difference. Yeah. Next, it is used in the autocomplete systems. Autocomplete systems. So because we have to sort the unique suggestions, right? So we have to sort because we have to go with the unique suggestions every time, right? So that is the reason it will be used in the auto suggestions. So this is one of the real world applications as well. The third one, it is used in the this one scheduling systems because we need ordered execution times. So For that purpose, we can just make use of the tree set in the scheduling systems. And it is also used in the banking system similar to the tree map, because we need the sorted transaction IDs, right? So we need sorted transaction IDs. So that is the reason we can just go with the tree set. Actually, the final one, it is also used in the search engines. It is used in the search engines to store sorted unique keywords. We will be making use of tree set. Again, to store the sorted unique keywords, we will be making use of the tree set in the search engine. So these are some of the real world applications of the tree set. Again, these are some of the real world applications of the tree set. Yep. So we have come to the ending part, nothing but complexities part. So what will be the time and space complexity here? So let's consider tree set supports 4 operations mainly. Yeah, 3 operations, sorry. So it supports add, it supports remove, as well as it supports search actually. Yeah, all of the three operations that the tree set provides. So the time complexity of all the 3 operations would lead to big O of log n. We have already discussed this one here. See, tree set somewhere, 1 second. All the operations like add, remove, and search are performed in logarithmic time. The last point actually within the explanation part. Yep. See, add, remove, and search within this one. The time complexity of add, remove, and search operation would lead to big of logarithmic n. Yep. So here again, the time complexity of the operations that TreeSet provides is add, remove, as well as the search. For all of the operations, the time complexity would lead to big of logarithmic n. Just remember this. And what would be the space complexity here? The space complexity would lead to big of n as well. Why it is big of n? Because it stores n unique elements in the tree structure. It stores n unique elements in the, or we have to store n unique elements in the tree structure. So overall space complexity would lead to big of n. So the time complexity for all the operations that we considered would lead to big of log n, and the space complexity would lead to big of n, right? So we have come to the end of tree set actually. This is fine. So one more thing, tree set is equivalent to the sorted plus unique plus logarithmic performance. Just remember this, right? Tree set is equivalent to sorted plus unique plus logarithmic performance, right? So this is it about the tree set. Next, we will be discussing on the topic heap. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.